visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday beyond so your Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Yo, abusia na me de nchia kese ma baby biara wo biara me gidi se wo ho eye pa ye da nyankopon ase aye na adom ne pe ene dai so wo de ye nkwa asache yen biem se de wonim no yasa ababa be hie biem ene eye ebnada sudura se de wonim no legal hour dwumedie eba wa kwan so e free eye no ndukosi duba ko me kire 10 ne ya sorry so 11. Enunti no ene aye benada de yasa abawa kwan so biem yema wo akwaba de eba adwumedie so ba biara wo biara midi de mama len ene mini lawyer PK ena ebedi dwume enunti tamu kutu ba bia wo biara se wo follow ye dwumedie ya wonim se ye bie phone lines no etum se de be ya wo hwe wo tie ye wo question bi a oso otimi ediba ebisa lawyer ema ne yi ano fefefe edi ema eni timi srewa se de da ye no se ye bie lines ne tum abomodin a se obe friend tem so na wo bisa won question na se de be ya lawyer eyi ano edi ama ebrese musumi de lawyer number ebetudwa edi ama se de be ya obetimi afre no na wo question bi na wo pese wo chirichiri mu yi ma wa watimi aye ne sa pepepe anase okona so ye se de obetimi aboa wo ha ye kwan ho nti nyen nsem ni nyina na ya na etimi bibie ni suma wo nti no me pacho wa ebrese mu de number ne betudwa ama wo na sa bre de wo show bre na 9 minutes past 10 ye hwedwumedie na se no me be ma lawyer akwaba na ye de dwumedie no ahyehye so Bomodin ase obe like o hwe your Facebook obe like na wa share ama onua bi so etimi etibi na wa femu afutu sa so na wutie wo radio no so abomodin aso se obe tutu sa afa onua bi so se ono so emetie bi yeda masepa se mutie dwumedie sabre ma mema lawyer akwaba na ye mfa dwumedie no enhyehye so lawyer good morning
Mama Len
iba to ko de
boko
anope uliki smart ankasa
me da say unto look sharp.
Thank you very much. You lawyer pachoche ye tiefo na afi ye nkoyenim.
Me da say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby I will share if you be ye de honchia e ma o sene Mama Len di kan e chere mu no every Tuesday be Fortwell Solicitors legal hour. Ye ba be chere mu enema e koso topical issues be we're taking it for granted, you know, because of a nearby eco we try and bring them to you to say Ube and I say Ubeman when I had a Tuesday be no Nishiemu Hanum say we didn't a Patrick Upokubuaten, but don't from a lawyer PK. We had more Fortwell Solicitors, a law firm I specialize in few areas of law, which show screen is why your immigration law, your family law, your employment, civil litigation, and I was probate. What do I say? Be making sure say if you be all a bay the abuo biano, your bay at the abuo. Bringing so into and so you bet your choir of the faso. a wobetimi aboaboa wo ho me kai sisu bio mu so say ye free consultation 15 minutes sa dwuma de ye de boa community no bi ho no na uniska a ode ba ko tua lawyer offer Fortwell Solicitors office line na wobetimi ebuki telephone appointment face to face in so a ye betimi ebuki ama video appointment bibi a opese ye bi a wobetimi ne akasa no ye be make sure say we will accommodate you.
Okay.
Tuesday one try say mo behwe GN na mo educate me. Mama Lane, this is the short introduction.
Hey, Debbie, when you're short, sir. Me that's a lawyer. I will HMO, dear my me pacho. I was here and then topic I da a plenty. Ye be the home commona, ya boama lawyer so a year no at the ama no church nim ama who quite a befaso media SSA no ASA. May the call a airport or cinema. Can you travel when you have a pending visa application? And no a question I bisa risky bay and a womb. The risk and what you can do. And you know, so why application now they call a efficacy. Na application no mugu so omu hwemu omu fa mu aye bia embae. Ubetimi etukwan ana. Na se ubetimi etukwan a nsunsuansuo bi ewo so. Ana se nsunsuansuo bi eni so. Edie na esese wo ye empo se nsunsuansuo bi baso ana se nsunsuansuo bi amaso ni nyina ye wo mranim eni ewo ye ntemidie ye beto ede amano ni ebusebisa no questions efa eye ene topic hu na se de be ya obetimi di ado asukum na wabiebie ye ni ama ye hu hawa ye besi etimidi ye na esisi ye esan se mpembebre no de ya na etaba ne se ya application ebikura na enya enkra ofie obi efrimu na SSA bi a wutu kwan obi mfiri mu kura ese otimi tu kwan kwa ya ade bi ehuhia wo application so eda so ewo fikisi mu ede na abeye we ene eye enkomo a ye bobo ewo eye dwumadi so ntino to nsafro onua bi na ono sumeti bi mama lawyer chance na eja onfa yemrem lawyer said ye topic ne esitie no da bia no ye application ya na ye ayem hyehyɛ enti wo de wo ta hwa na de wo bua wo da mpaye mu a se de be ya enema bia betimi akokɔ wano ede ama eba ne se wo nte wo mu nka esese bia utu kwan ana se wo timi koye bibia eba ne se wo betimi aya na wo betimi atu kwan ana eno ene ye question epesi ebusa ansa na se wo de be rewre mu de aka soso a wo de rewre mu ntino we de metoma papa
No, a question now, Busano, a serious question because a tunkophobia, but I answer no in another word topic. Ne, ya babe domosiko ya beshe near ubitimia any near and was say we in 19. The simple answer no, a yes or no.
Okay.
Depending on the circumstance, and I say depending on acquire the faso, obviously, if you know what to do. Inti mpembebre no say ye application e wo krom anum say a majority of the applications ni ye no ebi o ho a timi could be efficacy mu not less than 6 months ebi create me do over a year and sign I the application decision no sabre no bibi ato senior mama lane e kan ye no ubeko fie anasa ubetena hanum say and me call a dang and a better application. Say bibi to my application and I will fear meet me as a bamu and I say maka. And then you be the medical if you say you were 2 types of application. It's the scenario. Your scenario be your honor application, you know, obey application. Now, why year application from outside of UK?
Yeah.
And a scenario be your own so UK and a why year application, you know. These 2 scenarios see anybody who come baby kind afa oma year application outside the UK, and for some reason, you know, they need to come back. Whether say entry clearance now, why you know. I will say I will say Obakrom say for example, there are type of countries are NJ visa and omo de Abakrom say. Some type of countries, say any type of application outside the UK. For example, ABR, mifi Trinidad, and I make it Belize for passport. Nanso me Ghana ni. Me pese me ba krum hanum say. Me yere ewu krum hanum say. Ya ye application say I was say me be join me yere permanently. At that point, BBSC ABR me yere afa fro. And I was saying to me be so ni me ba because me kita Belize passport and me kita Trinidad and Tobago passport or other non-visa national BR or find yourself and even we EU national because at the moment you say EU nationals so ba here visa BR name be rema near 6 months. Such scenario say who able to claim 1 year application 1 year spouse visa application and kawoba our bed join a wear it. Krum hanum say, Oyere awo, I was say, Putupuma and Oyede Oba. Some application now, 1 year spouse visa application, so far passport, now will be removed UKR. Some application now, ye beside who say, some application, I say, if you say, Midi can say, situation biano it depended the answer you had the man. It be a no, it be a yes, it be a no yes, it be a yes no. But these are some of the situations fight you be or cry it me a go into internet scenario na me the man But be doom. I was say application why unya decision my nanso no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔba krom anum sɛ ebi kra na our visitors visa non-nationals non-visa national ebi kra here with the practical Ghana ebi okita 6 months visa 6 months visa no in wuye nanso yere anani kunu epese ɔba henti ɔmo the application atum. What we need to understand is say application now we are atum no technically se we fit Ghana now back room hanum say application I was saying you withdraw. Technically I was say withdraw. But because a type of visa and now if you non-visa national country be an air back room hantino. So application a bit me I then I won't name I was so we say visa na a crowd dana etimi ade wa be wuramu no say the visitors visa I cap 3 months be me who a 1 year spouse visa application e wo fie and wa be do kroma what you need to make sure say some visitors visa ni kita wana say ufi non visa national country be neighbor overstay e wo kroma no say because immediately I will be overstay some application now from outside the country, they will find out say overstay, and there might be a consequence of the fact to say overstay. Initially, technically, will be to me at our up until time you been making decision of your spouse visa application, Now I spouse visa application there, but and I say even student visa or any type of visa now so because ube overstay wa hanum say and I say because one call at the appropriate time sa application there wo hono na nka ye nyina ye twen ama ho kwan say ubetimi abakum hanum say without the application being withdrawn. The fact to say overstay and the fact to say breach any immigration rules via ukrum hanum say sa application now we hear from outside the country, so the back room hanum say about application say but yamra omu kruma and until me can say there are 2 scenarios. The location at the time of application submission of application a very 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 crucial. This topic we and a straightforward topic but it's in here ubetimi the one category be no one who say this is the way I need to go about it. The second strand, application, there are certain types of application wouldn't mean you outside the country. You have to be here, and I will be here. Make I say time EU for by say EUSS no. There were so many people they tried to say not Obiana Omo Spain and Omo Italy, but not Omo because of say Omo holiday and I say Omo because of say Ebi Omo Kwakosra Omo Bushia Phobi. Now they trying to make the application, outside the country. Who nipana uye resident ewu krumu say at the time of the application, na location outside the country.
Okay.
Also, technically uti krumu ha na imu uko amanone ebi akosra wabusua phobi. But se woman hada na sabre no afi na wo ya application wo na yemfa wonye inside the UK applicants for ni bi. Into the moment you're shining so where you application, they can only make the application. For example, wow, so a day application. Wouldn't mean Kogana and application and your day Emma.
Okay.
Ultimate na krum say a year into your location for the application, and you krum say.
Okay.
Before the submission. And after the submission, I will say, scenarios be a bit me a see what I will say, say, any consequence are maybe to ga kakran say, you can't also initially, A be a me will krum say, my year, maybe I may renew, may live to remain 2.5 years. Maybe I quack 2. About 4 5 months. Maintain womanka.
Yeah.
Magna call from a fee say BBSC into I was say me a day. Me befie to Pumuya. Such scenario now are finding yourself in a very crucial scenario. If you say Krumhanum say, and there are types of visas and so on. When you make the application here in the UK, wouldn't me enfi kronim enko. When you feel kronim call ya panel. Technically application withdraw. Technically withdraw. Therefore some scenario now what find yourself in the other person that maybe can count na seven no kono go bit mako aba. But who then wouldn't mean call. Although at the time I will make you application, now who can say was all to chroma.
Okay.
It be cry, a big kumuka cry, a becca say, it be out 3C be cry bit me about what this day and age in so dear. Your application quite me do passport mouth. Okobo and Sanoa, the ultimate ID verification, on file passport and a crown cobe beer. Such scenario, if you find yourself in now, Krumhanum say, now you make you application, you make you decision in Mao. Now, to feel Krumhanum say, scenario, different, and the consequences that application, technically, withdraw application. If he says, Bemua, you be busa say, a crime now fast, so I'll call and time and now your application, not over. Previously, the name is so strict, but I'm saying in Bumi Timua 2021, and it became very, very strict, and they even put it in the immigration rules. If you say it's not obit me application now, why and buy no, I found a passport, no, I took crime because or Ghana when you have visa or the the decision the bar, no, I fuck card no. Now the iodine or the above. It's no normal yes happen. They say say if you are planning to do that, and I say if you've done that as soon as possible, need to seek legal advice. If you say and so on, because who krum say I will make the application, wouldn't mean you then enfi kronim up until time you be then you be decision at the iodine amount. unye fi kuro no mpe technically no wa withdraw application no. Now scenario na me mind say ebia do application ni 5-6 months aba BBS ofie e wo say meko lawyer den na me a typical scenario a ebetimi atu obi a ene se ne yenna enim no ube frɛ lawyer no waka che lawyer say say na asi na e wo se mi kofie man kofie a enye application so send wa unim no uli 2 mu no is over 6 months nye anya den emaye and so still and I will say me kofie the first person I be call hono a lawyer e de ba de e na lawyer no e wo se otimi ye e de boa wo na wo so otimi ye den etimi kofie no na wo koye saa nia e wo se oye nti solution 1 e say you betimi avary saa application no amount. That's a variation of application. Make some scenario may be a practical so that will be a better no one say. Then finally say me jina me baso and me de aya application. With the application you got 2 no. At the moment my train best 6 months and back BBSC I was say me too crime. So application I may first of all there are types of where you need to make a decision quicker than later. Application you or no is only because of say a work category your friend no super priority. Application you or no a work category a priority. Any application be and a work that particular priority section if you don't know priority. That is how as our application one solution I will want to say immediately a BB at all. First of all, the instance they say lawyer the catch or say metro acco efficacy for evidence bra say na me fan me fan come efficacy for normal expedite decision yenina ye wo fidie mu anim so bi okwa betima ka say kona kofa o kona ko kachire MP say but this is how you can go about it ubeye okay varying of an application a technique wo betimi withdraw wo application now why first na watimi asaye another application that's application aba within 24 hours. Nti em find say my application name 6 months and beduye na bibi atumia. There is a way meet me aye application meet me withdraw sa application na ma make super priority application now within 24 hours when your visa na ne also wo koyi bia no wetimi aye dem wetimi akwa upgrading of application, a technical idea. I will not advise Ubia Keke say Ibia Wabete from lawyer PK. I'm not me kwakoye a technical application. Application be any to upgrade no. Anybody can be your crana wouldn't me any day wouldn't me any super priority. Wouldn't me super priority. Therefore, no. Say if you don't know now we'll call withdraws application now we are watching say upgrade because during the upgrade what will happen is say you will still have to make the application again but at this time application is super priority therefore it is going to come quicker for you to go wherever you want to go. So I was see a challenge to say a technical and there is money involved. So super priority application now. Bear in mind they said you would have to pay extra £800 on top of home office fee. What you know. Ube to another £800 a day account. But the good thing is say because of say we withdraw first application na why this upgrade of application, you know, what that will mean to you ni say first home office fee na utia, you know, who client say I was say oje refund into no own kasa. The only thing is say at the first instance no one is super priority but the BSc therefore no if you want to upgrade it which may upgrade it na ayeden super priority ayeden amount adeba akunso I was say share home so say some upgrading of the application, you know, it stops the first application now why you know we mentioning so until I'm can say a technical no. It stops the first application now. If say me application and no china me sign ko yet another application biuma me first application now me you know just cancel automatically. Therefore say wo ba be upgrade and as wo be sisan nana akoye no super priority because of say was say utu kwan temo making sure say circumstance no it still remains like that. If you say with circumstance no within or after you made application or circumstance assistant from before I will make the application into an anchor qualifier immediately I will withdraw first one no wanting to do an upgrade to the super priority no application in your then I say let me be practical here. Say me my application my worry will be na me renew my application now my me ukrum hanum say because of that you know mean to me enkofie mean to me the application ho enkofie although there is an emergency therefore no I was said me take this advisor lawyer PK the mami na emo no time aname ye me first application you know na me ni me kunu na ye wontawa kakra within 6 months no aye even worse ama se si ya akra no ebi kra me 12 fie honom immediately wo ba ko jeje wo ho akwakoye upgrade na na so ba ko ye another application because opening terminal there are near be your honom a wuntimi enyanka ho she said them di kan you know who upgrade your application because of say wuntimi enkofia it stops the existing application now you know consideration be a more consider be no immediately I will submit say second one I stopping no therefore you need to satisfy all the requirements a what's our application until say when man fa ukunu pay slips amba when man fa ukunu passport in boa because of say mwanya issues kakra although no application and anka will qualify anka o maybe another 2-3 months bia anka ye be the ovisa ne be ma now so the unfortunate thing that happened men share demo na enye application no if you say we share demo ya technical these are some of the examples we share demo ya bitimi ayeden how when it comes to say we upgrading so what we need to bear in mind is that ubi biara on in the application or wo application this should be no sankofo no they need to upgrade and now say they need to redo the application to super priority intino ebiom me ya practical me ya application sa application na me ya no dependent ewo me application so but BBSC e was say me kofie na me koye sa application and me koye ne was say me koye edebe den eba se me application no na me wo dependent ewo me so ena me ye ne the first time and the BBSC after that me nya decision na was say me ko ena me take this advice na me ko redraw me de ne pay because be an dependent no more so maybe only 2 and 3 mean 800 in na Emma omo ti me pen me to kwenti me se me kwa there be. It will not happen that way. Immediately, Uber upgrade and now Uber withdraw or first application, you know. Dependent on what soon, you know. Almost somebody and I then SCZ. At the country, I will see a question way, you know, and something say who withdraw application because of any circumstance, and now even who vary application because of any circumstance. There are timelines. Therefore, no, yempese yebeti advice na yako. Not those timelines, no. Ya messy. If you say we miss another bigger consequence, I say we live to remain and keep yanka old chain and continuous live to remain. Now I could indefinite live to remain, no. Because there is a gap, no. Say now we train say who can senses can be so and I'll prepare then withdraw application because my to say meeting my withdraw no my super priority no. At that point, 14 days one of the timelines, 14 days that's how I withdraw application. Now on sign fresh application on an upgrader will continuously to remain while accumulating in then ashiegu. Inti mume very, very, very careful when it comes to some of these things that we try to educate our people, not because of say yes situations and as scenarios are easy. Then how are we able to solve it? Is it only say ube kola or ube solve you and I say ube ba GM na waba BTA BBC now so I would a two for at the moment if you do mu you will nipa 2 e wo Ghana my application akọ Ghana at the moment no ntimi nye den embam macro de ye British de call ye kra afi no pe kwan a betimi ama mana den aba to a school so if you say maame no application now or when your decision and now na adwin say den or call half time itwa mu intino moma yen hye so na yen hu say application say codification na mba ya wo kwan a ye de fa so ho e kwan ne edoso benye ni nyina na yen tene mountain no mumi hu the correct na yen deal with it. Mama Emmanuel, see what question be?
That's the lawyer, that's one tremor or the Amaya. Everything said you will know your intimate, ya my lawyer, a bre, a manicasa, and I see a na be a phone lines no atumu. Said a bear, wow, share no, or so bet me a bizarre question. Tis a way, first maybe a phone lines natumu ama. A tear for near her phone in answer so some more question be on what me afraid a bizantine me the lines no to your amount so bet me afraid it was studio her na lawyer a you question no ano edit amount enti lines are bet me afraid no 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 and as ubetimi afre mobile so 0778 793 9958 0778 793 9958 ebie airlines no atumu ne pacho ubetimi afre now the question about ubetimi text here now all the question about you be ready ama lawyer eyi ano ede ama enfenfefe na lawyer question we free yenua bema back ho the aba ansa na bo mo hwe o Facebook no so nya bo chera question bia so me read ede ama lawyer into share o Facebook so abetimi do question ato se de yenua be ma bi aye wo ho no mo betimi aye ne sa pepepe ede ama ye we free yenua be ma back ho no mo the all nyina ne se waye application ede akọ efficacy it's been over 6 months now EU settlement scheme the certificate of application breno the person who say or say a hobby be no it's make us a ultimate to coin or pursue who say a no cressa and as a bass will wait to coin said the old trim no bet me a lawyer ho I'm a lawyer ye be a man and so sorry I know because or certificate of application wait me a trim amanana.
One of may say a deeper to know if you want to say Ghana. At the moment, certificate of application, yeah, also I don't know the reason why, but I think say the reason why probably might be say ABR now or residence card. And at the moment, your friend is saying EUSS. That might be the only reason why I mean say maybe or the higher but I've always told my clients say sa anamono me yintu sa anamono me yintu e wo paper ne so
yeah
e wo paper ne so e no kware pa say you can travel but I always tell my clients say can yen chase application you know yen ne wo say ye na yen hwe say for example if EUSS was super priority you better check it you better withdraw near super priority amount EUSS any super priority then we have to go through other ways and means you beat me I the decision abroad but this is a typical example venture na ukufia one share no
and if you for instance they said you would show me SMS what set your friend say certificate of application obamu ha I mean fan say bia obe hu lawyer bet me a contact home office amano na said be obetimi etu kwan na say because obia on fa ne pe said they would chire mo fa ne pe enko but then no per se yen pacho yen hold on with this question na me ma call an embrem na area na said be ya obi fu first betimi abaso member caller good morning.
Good morning. This is Kitty Olsen. Is Jones running the morning show? Please?
No, we are not doing the morning show. We are doing different show now. Yeah.
Right. Don't worry. Okay.
Right,
thank
sorry.
you. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Lawyer, I'm go back to the question. And you know, to say the me bisa no, nipa no ebia or certificate of application no. Say they be okay, one person no subeko akoka. But then we contacting a lawyer. Me fan say wa behu lawyer. Menya asem wo fie esese meko mo betimi a contact home office no ama wo ama na kwan so won kwa na say den na wonye me pa cho ho no advice ho no kakra yi
hono no se oba na ye hwe wo type of leave and now say application awo ye no if it comes under some of the solutions media bayia we will quickly make sure say we deal with it for you.
Okay.
Say what type of application now why you know say if it doesn't fall under some of the solutions media may and I acquire the first one media to the year then we would have to complain to the home office by giving them evidence say this is what has happened and now was set then utu crime therefore no say application check to the certain extent say it's obvious say also we make a decision or we make a decision then we will urge them so we make a decision but money funny per any day
okay second question free Francis or me patcho any normal Facebook maybe some question am we free Francis one or say yes why EU settlement scheme application it's been a while more than 6 months or person who say omunjai to say omubeti decision and so ombetimi the lawyer betimi push you or and say then I betimi
oh yeah definitely yes and yeah say oh at the other day no ye dey share you trimi nyina ye kan say application dey kofikasi ma 6 months
yeah
but technically in 6 months application application we are duration they do honor there are so many factors affect say application maybe 2 weeks application maybe 8 weeks application maybe 8 months but yeah they are share to me say 6 months say do 6 months no well lawyer koko ye nyina your client oh lawyer on efficacy mu kan ye betwe omo then we let them know. But if there has been an emergency, not a was you need to speak to your lawyers. Not a client on the first one, on the wow, no, on my board. If you say,
okay. All right, lawyer me that say my uncle a Facebook. Nana Berlin, I say hi, Mama Len. My question is, I had my 2.5 leave to remain as parents in 5 years roots 2018. If I saw the February or the dates nearby, and 12th of February 2018. When will I due to indefinite leave to remain? Is it 2024, 12th of February? And only the question of person, if yes, when can I put in application because my parents' leave expires on the 25th of May, I think 19th of May, yeah, 2005. Me patch on the question, what you say?
Matthias, but a question, me so we be questions,
okay.
Because first part of the question, or say our 5-year route into indefinite leave to remain. If a no quarry say or was our 5-year route, no, ya trope panel so say 5-year route. Why your first 2.5 years, and our next 2.5 years.
Yeah.
From 2018, the year 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. In the first leave, say 2018. Not a 5-year route. Actually, the first paper now, or starting a 5-year route now, you demand in 2018. He said, Patrick, you are on a 5-year route to indefinite leave to remain. 2018, we leave occurred near the mile, no, 2013 by or say 2018,
yeah, 2018, yeah.
Yeah, 2018. So by 2023, no, qualify for your indefinite leave to remain. Name no, say you now agree or say a 5-year leave, a 5-year route, depending on how you got that route now. Then you need to be careful.
Okay.
But senior mechano, obitima fire numbers na wafraying after the program, no. Obitimi ni a bookie telephone appointment, said baby or one wow, or a sober office, and so we can look into it for her. We will advise her time or you due to make that indefinite leave to remain application. Documents are or I was only to our claim, you know, you be making sure say you be advised.
Okay. That's a par lawyer. Ebusia numbers need chegu ho me ankasa so me the number no betuja ede ama obasa for now no ye answer enko for questions so bet me the wo dia ba frɛ AC0203735880 and I say text ya na bet me afra ba 0778793998 na eno ye yi nsema no nyina ede ama lawyer away every Jenny honomu Jenny read a question on Facebook or say good morning. Please, I have a question. I don't know if it's a question we apply if I'm but I'll say I am on universal credit. I traveled outside of the country for 3 weeks and came back on the 21st of January this year. My sister is not well and I need to travel out of the country again. Is it advisable to travel again this month? Or is it against the law? Me pacho we
Same question me I think say universal credit never firm keke but if it is say wako aba no person san ko biom dia yeah why not no what you just need to understand they say but at the end of we leave ni na wa be you indefinitely to remain no there is a specific amount of days and we say we deal outside the UK.
Okay.
That is what you just have to bear in mind because not many people are aware of this. But that is the only thing that I have to bear in mind. But as far as who will live to remain, maybe our application any efficacy. Yes, which my bene or will be any problem.
Will be any problem. Jenny, I think so we've answered your question. Sasun abeti me do question so atuja edi amaye we if your bear fear honomo or say niba and then but we once Ghana the OBI but anyway. Was seeing the needs our Ghana where we are secondary school. Ope say oba nursing school a UK has say. Obisa say possible. Na say possible a kwan be no won fa so. A obema ni needs no aba.
Next school there oba had the nebo be den yo. Because normally crowd you cry you sent your mo kakra san kako. And yeah. I think say even anyway. Say opese oba dia ye bitimi a student visa amano but
okay.
Obitua private.
Obitua a private student visa.
Yeah. And even on top of my head, I think say even say I don't think so Obitua anyway, but if you know
is it possible?
Jose,
possible say nipa ni betimi free Ghana where we secondary school Ghana or person oba school has say possible say obeba aba mfa say ne bo na den is it possible still as nipa ni betimi aba abenya school akọ aye nursing no
me assure yeah me assure why not because a degree course
yeah
but na ne honke kaye no
honke kaye na ka ho no
ne honke kaye no
me busa we informa say what if say okay onu ankasa akoji ebia student visa when your student visa ebia wa nya school bi wa ha wo ni ama ni visa na wa ba eno oba obetimi asesa na odi akowura nursing ni mu na say it will not work does it work
obe be nursing ni mu as an international student, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
But often call nursing as a home student, you be money bursary, ni sana money man, obi to your school fees no.
Okay.
Bit your bursary fees no. All the any amabia anka obi okrumu anum say anka be money student loan the aye no. Ono ebe na say international school for international student.
Okay.
What the?
Yeah, na enkofo bisa me questions. He said the minimum did me to say minimum nyina net office one mo. Na the person me hu ni say dia waji student visa. Obi a obe remaining international student. Your friend say sa visa na be obe no. Baby obetena ne ade nyina say odi hyem ana. And I say it doesn't once when you a student visa no and school no and
then baby or bet say or back room one I'm saying or in the first degree sorry or the first degree I was so said or maintenance that sikana ya can say I was a model put it to account all those say that a say which would include where DDA or rent, like personal maintenance, no. That is internet. They would expect so bad address me, but as to address now, they say hona uko and then hona uko and you'll be awesome. But definitely they would want you to have evidence of accommodation.
Okay.
And most so I think say schools na almost first year na the first degree for no almost campus na they and you show say what you ABR a large sum of amount I just say over better school or maybe in your first semester or something then afterwards no who person who feel on a cotton baby for fraud then that's fine
okay. We so you bring a call by way free airport or say or patch over to me at a variation of application ni upgrade application no bet me actually mu ye kakra ho e de ama wo mana.
Okay, say ye ka say obi avary an application a bia yemfa ne say waye owo 2.5 years last 2.5 years no I was say uncle Connie indefinitely to remain. Okay, but now or expect to say obenya certain documents be at the ato so. But at that point, you know, when you those documents, no, or your application indefinitely to remain application or realize they say a wrong application. Obitimaka vary sa indefinitely to remain application, you know, about back to a friend say only 2.5 years now. Up until time I'll be satisfied because there might be, for argument's sake, ABR only life in the UK test. Or realize they say life in the UK test was mandatory, not for the application, it will edit that. At that point, ubetimi avary application, upgrading, similar, but upgrading, say why a normal application.
Okay.
Why a normal application? Can say decision, but what you have normal home office fee or IHS fee. But emergency be aba. Sa emergency na aba no. Although over the system application, this time round over be super priority. Send ye be ya ubinya nentam. What I say? First one, normal application. BBSC. ABR lawyer atwere omo mfamba all the evidence omo dey akọ and still omo mfamba. You can take the option of upgrading your application now why you get that to another type of application super priority so that you'll be able to get it within 24 hours.
Okay.
That is the distinction.
Okay. Answer na mema lawyer can last words am na me pa chobet me contact Fortwell Solicitors said be ya ombetimi aboa wo we kwan ho nti no nyensem nyina na ya na yetimi afikyire ni ka ni nyina wa ha se nti no contact Fortwell ewo office line 0203 325 7030 0203 325 7030 no lawyer kasa no enhyase no odi kan ekan say because say ahokyere ne ade enti no omo de asi ho no mo say oba na obuki appointment initial consultation no omo nje ohwe eni nti pa cho wa abomoden ase obe use sa opportunity no na watimi a contact wo mo na omo watimi aboa wo sa kwan so from esi 0203 325 7030 don't just go there book appointment na ekuku hu wo mo ewo sa kwan so anase free mobile 078 333 44411 078 333 44411 into 078 333 44411 na afi wo booki appointment na omo etimi aboa wo ewo sa kwan so fe na lawyer mame embrowse say wo bibia wo de ebetechra na say yente hint bia ne bibia bibi sa koso ana bibia ni ho a ese eda ye ho so ana say ese tirimu ye de bia
Enema ne de cost but obviously if you all your community it's not affected anymore. Ntina ye fa nye de no ye fa to gasa no but enema cost they are making so many types of visas at the moment. It is very very good. Mutie other programs are here with Fortwell Solicitors Mondays. We try and diverge a bit from your normal, and your camera for. Therefore, there might be some other listeners, viewers omunte trikasana. You try to diverge from your normal and you live to remain near me. Not go to that type of visas. It's visas there. It be bapa at the moment.
Emrantem. Na enti bibia wo bibia wo di betwa to na fe ya sorry.
Nyameka twa to ade say main application our location UK. Another common travel area no. Na say eba ya de be breme na me de yaba. There are ways and means ibitini at the expedite or application amount. Don't take that chance. If you say ABR within that period now application, open kwaya before so I'll be in year maybe ana asay abie. Edamase.
Yes, that's it. Sana nchi akesi nkoma kodwa samwa o share your Facebook nchi akesi nkoma hi Jenny and then Nana Berlin, Nchiakesi and Koma Munina, Ejewa, Nchiakesi and Koma, good morning, everyone. Kojo Asamoah, good morning, Mama Len. Hope you are doing good. Yeah, me who ye paramedic, so I say. I was saying, better was say, said ye dane da ye ba, Muji or Fesso, me patrol, I won't like it, Abomodian so be quack like Yamae. Won't share so Abomodian so be share, and Pepe Bray and topic a deba nebua. Emboa wo pese but unwe bi na ebeboa no obusu ani bi na ebeboa no wo share nipa ne betimi etie na watu anamo e de afri mu nti no pomodin ase wo be share ama obi soso etimi asua bibi ana ase wafa afutu e de afri mu video yi ebeda GN radio page ho nti no so pese osa akobotie ana wantimi ni ansha ase ana ase opese unwe bi tie bia ne nyina no mefa chewa share na obi ntimi bia na so otimi kɔ ekokotie ana ekokɔhwɛ video nyame ya adom no de yenkwa eche ya yebesa aba wa kwan so biem na wotwe sen na mekyerɛ ebenada na ye hyase adwumadi ye hyase 10 ni asɔre so 11 ti sɛ unim sɛ 11 abo edie na tese ya no esi awie ba bomodin ya sɛ obetimi akontate lawyer na watimi aboa omo woni pa ho abotre pa ne ta eka wo afidie so saa so na dodo na so ebedi adanse de efa wo mo ho se omo good pa no mo aboa wo mo ekwan bebre eso anything for the last time with the number ne betudwa de amount etwa gu wo screen so betimi afa so enti mpacho bomodin aso be contact Fortwell was 0203 325 7030 0203 325 7030 and I say mobile 078 333 44411 078 333 44411 na omo etimi aboa ofefefe ena me ne lawyer PK me ne di dwume me din edi Mama Len nyame ya adoma ye besa aba wa kwan so bim aha ena ye beka se lawyer ye da se pa se da ne da na mo beboa ye ewo sa kwan ne so ntino yeah, do we see us say na you say you're a very busy person.
But I say,
I'm more kwakotua udwumadi so nyame ya adoma ye besa aba na ya baba besum ye tifo ne ya adofo bi na me next week. Intino have a lovely day.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye. You ebusia entina te say aha na ye di mu besie na safa number utie abetimi enya number no edi
Yo Ghana for you want English approach my moha ya swedi yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan wo krata na swedi edron so a eyom kokokra eba ni nipa sitenemu ani adwumamu nsembia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pebia na de ni no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswell Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Chevron